Okay, so today we're going to be talking about law of sines, which is used for angle, angle, side, angle, side, angle, or side, side, angle. It is used to find missing angles or sides of a triangle. The formula we use is A over sine of A, B over sine of B, and C over sine of C. For problem number 1, we have a triangle that is angle, angle, side, and we have to use the law of sines to find the indicated side, C, which is right here. And so for that, we're going to fill out the formula. It's going to be 376 over sine of 98.4 is equal to little b, because we don't know what that one is, over sine of 24.6, which is equal to c. We don't know what that one is, and we don't know what the sine of c is. Okay. So we had one full one, one partial one, and okay. So the indicated side that we're looking for is C, and since we know two of the angles and we know a triangle adds up to 180, you're going to do 98.4 plus 24.6 and subtract that from 180, which is going to get you 57. And then you'll do 376 is equal to little c over sine of 57 over sine of 98.4. Then you're going to cross multiply, and it's going to be sine of 98.4 little c is equal to 376 sine of 57. You're going to divide sine by sine of 98.4 to get the little c alone, and your indicated side will equal 318.8. Okay, for this one we're going to use law of sines to find all angles and sides, and this triangle is side-side angle. With side-side angle, there's a possibility of having one triangle, two triangles, or no triangle. Okay, so we're going to fill out our formula. It's going to be 28 over sine of 110, which is equal to 15 over sine of b, equal to c over sine of c. So again, we have an empty one, a partial one, and a full one. And we're going to do 28 over sine 110, which is equal to 15 over sine of b. We're going to cross multiply. It's going to be 28 sine of b equal to 15 sine of 110. We're going to divide by 28. And then your sine of b will equal 0.503 continuing. And then you go on the calculator and you would press the button second and do sine, which will give you sine, the inverse of sine, and it will be equal to 30.2. So we're going to fill out our chart. We know this one, we know angle A, and we know angle B. So the triangle number 2, angle A and angle A, the first angles are going to be the same. On the second angle, they're going to be supplementaries of each other. This is going to be 149.8. And to find angle C, we know we add up 110 plus 30.2, subtract it from 180, and get 39.8. We do the same over here for triangle number 2, but it ends up being a lot more than 180, so that means there's no triangle. Okay, alright. We know that A equals 28, and we know B equals 15, so all we're looking for is C. And to find C, we are going to do 28 over sine of 110, which is equal to c over sine of 39.8. You're going to cross multiply. 28 sine 39.8 is equal to little c sine of 110. We're going to divide by the sine of 110. And our little c will equal 19.1. And so now we have all our indicated angles and sides that are missing. So now we're going to do the same thing that we've been doing in this triangle side-side angle. And we're going to fill out our formula. It's going to be 20 over 125 is equal to b over sine of b, which is equal to 45 over sine of c. We're then going to do 20 is equal to 25 over sine of c. Again, because this is partial, this is full, and this is empty, and we can't do anything with this if we don't know what sine of c is. So we're going to cross multiply again. So we need 20 sine of c is equal to 45 sine of 125. And we're going to divide by 20. And our sine of c will equal 1.8430921. And when you do sine of c inverse, when you do sine inverse, it will equal an error. Because sine of c cannot be more than 1. So that means no triangle. No triangle. Okay, so to recap on what we learned the law of sines, which is used for angle, angle, side, angle, side, angle, or side, side, angle. We used to find missing angles or sides of a triangle. The formula which we use is a over sine of a, little b over sine of b, little c over sine of c. And we use this to find, and we have to remember that side-side angle can be one triangle, two triangles, or no triangles.